blows through my life like the wind, leaving dusty footprints in the sand. The memory of what we once shared grows old and faded like the pictures on the stairs. She waits just long enough, I'm almost healed. Then back into my heart she tries to steal. Never quite sure how long has passed, but each time I'm a little more broken than the last. And all that she is surrounds me. The fall of my tears almost drowns me. I feel her close in every way, and that's when she blows away again. It's never quite the same old story of why she left or why she's back again. Her wild dreams and the faded glory, and the tales of no good cheating men. But somehow I always seem forgiving, forgetting all the heartbreak and the pain. It's a hard way to make a living, always getting caught